Welcome to all my dear students. I am Saroj Kumar Sethi, lecturer in chemistry of Nalanda Vidya Mandir Plus 2 Science College, Berhampur. So, in last class, we have discussed about the packing efficiency of primitive unit cells, body center cubic unit cells, and phase center cubic unit cells. Last class, we have discussed that is packing efficiency. Packing efficiency of primitive unit cells and phase center unit cells and body center cubic unit cells. Okay, so I hope you all of you have understood that one. The very easy one. You have to remember how to find out the radius of each atoms from primitive unit cells, phase center and body center unit cells. Okay, now we are going to discuss that is the density of a solid. How density of crystalline solid can be calculated. So as we know that density formula, density is equal to, that is mass divided by volume. If we talk about in crystalline solids, as we know, in crystalline solids the repetitive unit particles are, that is unit cells. Okay, each unit cells are repeating over and over, which generate entire crystals. So this is the simplest unit cells. Okay, that is cubic unit cells. So whenever we are going to find out the density of crystalline solid, density of crystalline solid, then its formula will be the mass of atoms present in unit cells, that is present in unit cell, divided by volume of unit cells. So this is the formula to find out density of solid. Once again, density of crystalline solid is equal to, that is the mass of atoms present in unit cells divided by mass of unit cells. Okay, so density sometimes it is represented as a rho. Okay, and it will be the mass of atoms present in unit cells. It can be written as, that is Z into M divided by A cube. While we are talking about the unit cells, cubic unit cells, then in each sides edge length A is equal to each other. So all the edge length, that is A is equal to B is equal to C. So this condition is only applied for the cubic unit cells. Okay, out of the many types of unit cells, in cubic unit cells all the edge length, that is A, are equal to each other. That's why if we talk about volume, then A into B into C, or we can say that is A cube, because A is equal to B is equal to C. Am I right or not? A गोटे unit cells रे सबू edge length equal थाए. Okay, so volume will be A into A into A, that is A cube. Okay, so this is the formula for density. Here M is the mass, Z is the number of atoms. It is the number of atoms in unit cell. Okay, M is the mass of atoms. Okay, and A is the side of unit cells, or edge length of unit cells, edge length or side of unit cell. If we would like to take molecular mass of each atom, then we can write, instead of taking m, small m, we can write m is equal to capital M divided by Avogadro's number. Okay, why it is so? Because as we know that one mole can be calculated by mass divided by molecular mass. Okay, so one mole is the molecular mass. One mole means that is 6.023 into 10 to the 23. Number of atoms is equal to capital M. So for one atom it will be capital M divided by 6.023 into 10 to the 23. So for each atom of mass is equal to capital M, that is molecular mass of each atom. The molecular mass of that element or atom divided by 6.023 into 10 to the 23, that is known as Avogadro number. That is represented as Na. Okay, represented as Na. Okay, so in place of M we can write capital M divided by 6.023 into 10 to the 23. So here we can write rho is equal to Z into capital M divided by AQ into Avogadro's number. This is Avogadro's number, which here Avogadro number Na is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the 23. This is the final formula for the calculation of crystalline solid. Okay, this is the formula. Your density is equal to Z into M divided by M is the molecular mass, M divided by AQ into Avogadro's numbers. So here I am going to write the formula of density, that is rho is equal to Z into capital M divided by AQ into Na. Okay, so this is our formula to find out the density. So by taking this formula we can calculate the density from different problems. Okay, now we are going to move on to solve some problems upon the density. Okay, समस्त बुझिलो पिले केमती डेंसिटी बाहर कराउची. Density of crystalline solid is equal to mass of atoms present in the unit cells divided by volume of unit cells. Okay, so mass of atoms present in unit cells सेटा जीवा पूर्व हम जानिया पड़ियो गोटे unit cell रे केतटा number of atoms अछि, that is Z. How many number of atoms present in each unit cell, that is Z into mass of each atoms divided by AQ. So here instead of taking mass of each atoms we can easily place molecular mass divided by Avogadro's number, because mass of atoms cannot be identified accurately. That's why by help of molecular mass we can place here and we can calculate the density. So by taking this formula we are going to solve few problems upon density. Okay, now I am going to rub this one. Shall I rub it, my dear students? Here one question is that is copper crystallizes with a problem is that copper crystallizes with FCC. Copper crystallizes with FCC, that is phase center cubic unit cells. FCC unit cells if the radius of atom is 127.8 picometer. Calculate the density of copper metal. Calculate the density of copper metal. Okay, so this is our questions. See how we are going to solve this one by using density formula, that is rho. Answer: density formula is that is Z into capital M divided by AQ into Avogadro's number, where Avogadro's number all of you know that is 6.023 into 10 to the 23 number of atoms. Okay, it may be atoms or molecules or ions. So here see for FCC, what would be the R? As we know that for FCC, 4R is equal to, that is root 2A, and R is equal to root 2 divided by 4A. This is for FCC. Okay, this is for FCC. So here what is the number of atoms for FCC? That would be 4. In last class I have already explained you that for FCC, phase center cubic unit cells, the numbers of atoms will be 4. Okay, so by placing the value that is 4 upon Z, that is 4 into molecular mass. What would be the molecular mass of the molecular mass of copper? That will be 63.5 divided by AQ. What would be the edge length? Here see from this relation, that is R is equal to root 2 by 4 A. The A will be here. A will be from this we can calculate A will be 4R divided by root 2. 4R divided by root 2, or A is equal to, that is 2 root 2R, that is 2 root 2R. So in place of A we can write that is 2 root 2R. Okay, R already given, 2 root 2R cube into, that is 6.023 into 10 to the 23. Okay, so A is the edge length. So in this problems, the radius already given, radius is that is R is given, that is 127 picometer. Okay, so by taking, first we have to calculate the A. So what would be the value of A? That A is equal to that is 2 into root 2 into R. R is, that is 127.8. This is A. By taking the cube of this one, its answer will be A is equal to, that is 4.948 into 10 to the minus 8 cm. Okay, by calculate this one we will get this one. Okay, because A from the relations we got 2 root 2R, R is, that is 127.8 picometer. So by taking this value we will get this one. Okay, whenever we are going to whenever we are going to solve all these problems, so first we need to find out the a value. Then by taking the a values, by putting this value of a in this formula, then we will get the answer. So by calculating all this from this section, we will get answer, that is the density will be 8 point here. The density here, the density will be 8.9 gram, okay, cm per cube. So by calculating this, we will get this one. If we calculate, then it will take a long time. That's why I have already calculated. You need to calculate whether the answer is coming or not. Okay, later on you will do. Okay, so these are the things which we need to know. Similarly, the second question, all of you got it? Mu author buझौछि, copper crystallizes with face center cubic unit cells if the radius of copper is 127.8 picometer. Calculate the density of copper metal. So by placing the formula of density, that is Z into M divided by Q into Na. So here for face center cubic unit cells, Z will be 4 into its molecular mass of copper, that is 63.5 divided by AQ. What will be the AQ? Here from the relations R is equal to root 2 by 4A, and A will be, that is 4R by root 2, and A is equal to, we can write like this, that is 2 root 2R. So A taku ame kemti lekhiba 2 root 2R cube. Okay, तो R एटी R वैल्यू टा हमें जानी चाहिए 127, आपको नेक ने हमें कैलकुलेट कर देबा, तापर इनटू एटा को एतिके सब कैलकुलेशन करला पर फाइनल टा आसीओ 8.9 ग्राम cm क्यूब cm पर क्यूब. ओके, तो एमिति होची प्रॉब्लम्स. ठीक सेमितिया मु आउ गोटे प्रॉब्लम्स करबा को जाउची, एटा समस्त बुझिलो पिले. डेंसिटी रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स कॉमनली बोर्ड एग्जाम रासे. तो तबे केपी बुक देखिबो कि एनसीईआरटी बुक्स देखिबो, तार जति सब क्वेश्चंस अछि रिलेटेड टू डेंसिटी, यू नीड टू सॉल्व. ओके, यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस, अदरवाइज you will face lots of difficult during the exam times. Okay, so ei pattern of question टा कोरीटा बहुत इजी. जदि तमे भलसे जानि थिबो एफसीसी बीसीसी रो रेडियस बाहर करबेटा, आपको इंप्लीमेंट करके तमे डेंसिटी फार्मूला पके करी बाहर करि पारिबो. सिमिलरली मु आ गोटे क्वेश्चंस करिया जाउची. Gold atomic radius, that is next questions. Gold atomic radius is equal to 0.144 nanometer. Crystallizes in FCC, crystallizes in FCC, crystallized in FCC structure. What is the edge length of? What is the edge length of side of the side of the cell. एटी पिले पचारछि a value रेडी पचारछि. What is a? ओके, एटॉमिक रेडियस असी देछि, देन हमको सीए एज लेंथ से पचारछि. बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन. एटी डेंसिटी पचारने, but after getting the value of edge length we can easily calculate the density. Okay, See, for phase center q, the relation is that is for r is equal to root over of 2a, root over of 2a. So the a will be a is equal to that is 4 divided by root 2 r. Okay, r, or we can say a is equal to 2 root 2 r. So here, by placing the formula from FCC arrangement of FCC unit cells, a is equal to 2 root 2 r. So here a will be 2 into what is the value of root 2? Root 2 value is that is 1.414 into that is the root 2. Okay, root 2 value is equal to 1.414. okay, 1.414 into that is r. What is the radius? Radius already given 0.144. okay, nanometer, 0.144 nanometer. Okay, by solving this you will get that is 0.4073 nanometer. This is the answer. Okay, so in question it has asked that that is edge length of unit cells in which gold atom is there, whose radius is equal to 0.144 nanometer, and that arrangement is FCC crystal structure. Okay, by taking the relation that is a is equal to 2 root 2 r, by placing the value of root 2 that is 1.414, we will get the answer edge length that is 0.4073 nanometer. So these are all about problems related to density. So if you want to practice more and more about the problems upon the density, then you have to follow good book one, either NCERT or KP publications book. Okay, for CHSE. NCERT is from CBSE, but very standard book one, very nice problems are there. Okay, now move on to our next part, that is packing of crystalline solid. How the crystalline solids are packed inside it. Okay, now we are going to discuss that is packing of a solid. See, close packing of solid. How our topic is close packing. Close packing of solids. Close packing of solids. The close packing of solids is arranged in such a way that it involves one-dimensional, two-dimensional, and three-dimensional packed structure. Okay, the close packing of particles in a crystals depends upon the shape and size of constituent particles in it. First one, the close packing depends upon the close packing depends on size shape of constituent particles. Okay, then the next one, close packing increases its stability. If close packing increases, then stability also increases. stability also increases. Stability also increases. Okay, so now dimensional of closed packings. How, in what dimensions of closed packings are there inside the crystal solids, which is responsible for its stability? Now we are going to discuss. See, in this case of particles, the constituent particles arranged in three dimensionals. Okay, first dimension, that is one dimensional, two dimensional, and three dimensions. In one dimensional, one dimensional closed packing of solids, that is closed packing of solids. One dimensional closed packing solids रे एई सबु constituent particle जा attachment हेगी थांती. Okay, in one dimensional closed packing, the constituent particles are touches to each other in such a way that each atoms it touches to two neighboring atoms. So its coordination number is 2. एटा होची वन डायमेंशनल क्लोज पैकिंग रे ये गोटे constituent particles जा टच हेग्री गोटे पर्टिकुलर एज दिए. इट गिव्स एज ऑफ द सॉलिड्स. ओके, in one dimensional closed packings, atoms are, the constituent particles are touches to each other and in a row, it arranged in a row to give the edge of a solid, to give edge of a solid. Okay, in descriptive way we can write the constituent particles are arranged, constituent particles are arranged in such a way that they touches to each other, they touches to neighboring atoms, they touches to each other. Okay, and in a row, each other in a row to give a edge of solid, Okay, this is one dimensional closed packing of solid. Now move on to two dimensional closed packing of solids. In two-dimensional closed packing of solid, it is categorized of two types. That is square closed packing. It is of two types. It is of two types. First one, that is square closed packing. Square closed packing. And second one, that is hexagonal closed packing. Second one, that is hexagonal closed packing. Okay, hexagonal closed packing. In square closed packing, what happened? The atoms are arranged in a row. Let this set of arrangement is named as A. Okay, another row is attached to this one, okay, and which is very similar to the first one, the first row, and these rows are aligned to each other. These rows are aligned to each other with both horizontally and vertically. The rows are, so the set of arrangement is AA. So we can write the arrangements of rows, arrangements of rows are aligned, aligned horizontally and vertically to each other, horizontally and vertically, horizontally and vertically to each other, माने माने ए जो रोड अछि गोटे टच गोटे एटम से जो टच हिची आउट एटम को ए जो गोटे पर्टिकुलर रो अछि एटा आउट रो सहित सेम डायरेक्शन, सेम वर्टिकल अलाइनमेंट, हॉरिजॉन्टल अलाइनमेंट रहइबो. तो एमानकर अरेंजमेंट को होची the arrange such arrangement is known as, such arrangement is termed as, such arrangement is of type is of type AA type, A type. ओके काहे ना ए सब अरेंजमेंट जा टच एग्री रोची, ए सब अरेंजमेंट जा गोटे वर्टिकल आउ हॉरिजॉन्टली अलाइनमेंट हे रोची. तो एटी गोटे एटम्स चारटा नेबर एटम सहित सी टच करिवो. मु देखौ छी गोटे स्क्वायर करिक देखौ छी. फॉर एग्जांपल्स लेट इट बी द एटम, ओके, एंड दिस एटम्स विल टचेस टू दिस 4. ओके, ये होची हमर एटम टा, ये होची हमर एटम, ए एटम टा. तो ए एटम टा सी चारटे एटम को टच करिक अछि. ये होची एटम 1, ओके, 2, 3, 4. So here for this square closed packing, the coordination number is 4. For square closed packing of two dimensional okay of two dimension, coordination number is 4. माने गोटे एटम से चारटा एटम को टच करके थाउची, सेतै कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर इज 4. that is in square closed packing of two dimension. Similarly, if we talk about hexagonal closed packing, then it would be like that. First, the row is like that. This is termed as A type. Okay, this is the first row, and second row will be, the atoms are placed in the depression of first row, okay, in the depression of first row. एई जो फर्स्ट रो रे एटम जा भितरे जो गैप थाउची, जो डिप्रेशन थाउची, से डिप्रेशन रे गोटे गोटे एटम्स को प्लेस करा हबो, सेही प्लेस करा हबो. तो ये होची हेक्सागोनल क्लोज्ड पैकिंग. पुनी थर्ड रो टा वर्टिकली एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल एलिमेंट टू ए रो को रहइबो. एटा होची ए टाइप, ये होची बी टाइप, एंड एटा होची पुनी ए टाइप, ए बी टाइप. सो ये पुनी एटम टा ए रो सहित वर्टिकल अलाइनमेंट ही रहइबो. आको हमें एमिति लिखि परिबा, एमिति करि परिबा. ओके, वर्टिकल अलाइनमेंट टू द फर्स्ट वन. ओके, 80 A arrangement को होची AB type arrangement. The arrangements of constituent particles are of the arrangement of constituent particles constituent particles are AB type, AB type. Okay, कहीं ना ये गोटे ए हेले बी टा होची बी टा केमती प्लेस कराबो ना each atoms will be placed depression of the first row of atoms. Okay, the a b layer will be placed in such a way that the each atoms from the b will be at a depression of the a rows atoms. Okay, and again the third row will be vertically and horizontally aligned to the first row. That's why the arrangement of constituent particles will be AB type. And here, if we join the center position of these, then it will like this one. So hexagonal ridge form. Here in hexagonal closed packing of two dimensionals, each atom, here this one is the central atom. Okay, each atom will touches 6 other neighbor atoms. Okay, that's why its coordinations number is 6. This one is 1, this one is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so coordination number is equal to 6. These are all about square closed packing and hexagonal closed packing of two dimensional of solids. Okay, now move on to three dimensional packing of solids. Okay students, for this lecture this much only. On next lecture we will be discuss, that is three dimensional closed packing of crystalline solids. Okay, so for this much only. Okay, bye.